Hi everybody, thanks for watching this. My name is James Ferrone. I'm a photographer in Texas, and I'm going to do something completely new that I've never done before, which is video blogging and an instructional video. Something else I've never done is an unboxing of something that wasn't an Apple product, and I'm going to tell you all about this. On my Instagram feed, I got this comment that was sent to me on a portrait, and it was somebody asking if I would try out their light ring. I've never used a light ring before. I use a beauty dish or a softbox and things like that with my speed lights, but I've never used a light ring before. So I thought, why not? This could be a total scam. They could try to empty out my bank account, but what if it's not? What if it's real? So I responded to this person in DM, and they said, hey, we have this light ring. It's an LED light ring for a company called Geekoto. I hope I'm saying that right. I've never actually heard it said. I'm just reading the box. And so they sent me this light ring. And so I wanted to show you the unboxing of it. And then when I get a chance to test it out, I'm going to post about that here and let you kind of know what I think. So this is the box. It was a lot bigger than I expected it to be. It's a pretty big box. It's an LED light ring. And I'm going to unbox it. I have not opened this yet, so I'm not sure what I'm going to find in here. Oh, check this out. This nice case. So that's pretty much it, except for this other box. Another box in here, which looks like it should be a tripod or something. Oh, it's a stand. That's awesome. Comes with a stand. So this comes with a stand and this awesome case. So let's open up the case and see what's in it. Wow. Okay, so this thing is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. I don't know why I thought this was going to be like an on-camera accessory, but I noticed right here that it's got it's threaded so that I can actually screw my camera mount onto it, and you can do it like that, so you don't have to try to twist your camera. It looks like it is battery powered. It's got two. Looks like it's got two slots here for batteries. Looks like it's got a single, like a lower light setting, and then a double light setting. It's got a place to power it, to plug it in, and it's got these knobs to where you can adjust the color temperature and the brightness. So it looks pretty cool. And then here it fits on the stand. It feels pretty solid. I'm actually pretty impressed. Like I said, I've never actually used a light ring, so I'm going to try this out and see what it looks like. So let's see what else is in the case. It's an instruction manual. Nobody uses instruction manuals. Okay, so what is this? Oh, okay. So this is, oh, my daughter's going to love this. This is a phone adapter, so you can put your phone in there and put it into the light ring like this, and put your phone in it to light for selfie videos, or Instagram videos, perhaps even unboxing videos. Here is a little, it's a tiny screw-in ball head adapter. I think I actually just threw one of these away because I never use it. So I have a new one. And let's see what this is. This is probably going to be a power adapter. Yep, this is power. So power adapter. I'm curious if this is, I don't see a place where you can use batteries. Looks like you have to you have to purchase the little battery packs. That would be helpful. The ability to put like 8 AA batteries or something in there, so that I don't have to buy special batteries for it. But we'll try it out. Okay, maybe it says something about that in the manual that I just threw away. We'll check that out. What else is in here? That is it. That's it. So cool. So that is the light ring. I'm going to actually put it on this camera and see what it looks like. So here we go. Okay, I'm back, and I have the camera mounted in between inside the light ring on the Geekoto LED light ring. It's on. When I first plugged it in and turned it on, I thought I had gotten a bad unit because there was no light coming out. Well, it turns out that in the lowest setting, it doesn't put out any light. So it's, yeah, when you turn it all the way down, it basically turns the light off, and then you can turn it up slightly, and then that is its brightest setting, which is really bright. I'm going to turn it back down some to what feels like a more normal level, and that's a little more comfortable to my eye. Okay, so now we have the warm setting right there, and then I'll turn all the way to the other side, the cool setting, and I always like to use stuff that's kind of halfway in between. So anyway, so this is the Geekoto light ring. It's pretty interesting. This will probably be really interesting to try to use for video. I don't see this being an item that I'll be able to use very well on portrait shoots, just because it didn't come with batteries. I don't have the batteries for it. I might look into buying some batteries just to try it out, but the way that it comes in its configuration, it's good for video. I did open up the instruction manual, and it came with this little catalog. And what's interesting is I've never really heard of this company before, but looks like they have speed lights and commanders, and they have kind of a handheld studio light. They've got some reflectors. Oh, I can't tell if that's a reflector or if that's an LED panel, round panel, and there's a rectangular. I don't know if those are reflectors or if they're lights. It looks like they've got some tripods as well, which look remarkably similar to my Benro MiPhoto orange travel tripod, which apparently everybody makes now. And then there's, of course, the different light rings. Looks like there's a smaller one and a larger one. This is, which one is this? It says YouTube video shooting on the box, so I'm guessing that that's what this is intended for. I don't see any indication as to which one this is. I'm assuming this is the larger one. I'm actually going to turn this down just a little bit more because it's still kind of bright. There we go, that's a little bit better. So anyway, I'm going to try this out and use it a couple of times and let you know what I think, but I wanted to do this unboxing and this initial review and just kind of tell you what I thought. My initial thoughts are that I wish it came with batteries, and also when I put it on the stand, it's sitting on the stand included. There's no way to that I have found to be able to mount it onto my tripod, which I think would be very helpful to be able to put it onto either a video tripod or mount it onto my photo tripod. That would be really helpful. And when I put it on the stand, it felt very wobbly. The build quality of the ring itself feels fairly stable, but I don't know whether it's the stand or the connector that attaches to the stand, but feels really wobbly. It doesn't feel very quality, which, you know, if made me a little bit nervous because my camera is sitting right up there in between it. And of course, I don't want my camera and my lens and my microphone and all that stuff to fall. So I need to be able to have confidence about that. So that would be my initial thoughts about this thing. I'm going to try it out with some videos. I've been wanting to do more videos on YouTube and kind of start some tutorial videos and things like that. So this might be a great way for me to do that rather than having to set up several lights. I might just be able to do it with one light now that I have this Geekoto light ring. So anyway, that's my initial thoughts. Those are my initial thoughts. That's my initial impression, and I'll see you next time. I'll let you know what I think about this more. Thanks. Bye. Hey, one more thing I wanted to mention is that on the back, the switch, remember I said it had two settings. It looked like there was a high and a low setting. The number 1 setting, when it's plugged in, turns the light on. The number 2 setting doesn't seem to do anything. And what I'm guessing is that has to do with when the battery is attached. There's 2 battery slots on the back. That one is when it's on AC power, and the 2 is when it's on battery power. Who knew? So that's why I should have read the manual. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Okay, thanks guys.